As we used to say in the early 2000s, surveys are the worst. You absolutely make no money. You waste lots of time, energy, and effort to potentially make pennies on the dollar. When I first started surveys, based on what YouTubers said, you could make $5 every 30 seconds. I wound up spending 8 hours trying to do surveys and watching video ads. And ultimately, I was told that I wasn't qualified or there was a glitch in the submission form, and so that I wasn't making any money. So ultimately, when I first started making surveys or starting doing surveys, I made less than $50 after spending 8 hours. So in this video, I'm actually going to run through 21 different ways that you can make money online without surveys. Now, I'm going to spend a little bit of time talking about each one, but if you want me to focus on one or more, comment down below which one is important to you, and I will make a separate video. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as a successful internet marketer, I have made money with security cameras, soundbars, stand mixers, microwaves, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with stuff that you already have. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. All right, so as I mentioned, I have a list of 21 ways that you can make real money online without paid surveys. Now, I'm going to give you an idea of how much experience you need. With most of these, quite honestly, you don't need any experience and you need very little money to get up and running. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Number one, which is one of my favorite, is simply creating and selling digital products. Yes, you can create blueprints, ebooks, you can create digital planners and stickers, and you can make money. There are millions of people that are interested in all sorts of stuff. And so you simply would want to go out and figure out what these people are interested in. For example, like digital planners or chore planners, something along those lines. And then you create it. If you know how to create it, you can use something like Canva or Photoshop. If you don't know how to create it, you can spend $5 or $10 and have someone over on Fiverr do it for you. Now with this one, depending on how you sell it, you can make anywhere between 99 cents and like $50. If you sell it on Etsy, you're going to make toward that lower end. If you sell it yourself, you can make more money. And we'll talk about different ways that you can do that later in this video. But number one is creating and selling digital products. Number two, which happens to be my second favorite, is with affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you are simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. With affiliate marketing, you simply identify a problem and you find a solution, which is going to be a product or service, and you are going to link those two together. You are going to create content to help people solve problems. For example, one of the most common problems that have been out for the last couple of years is how to find or where to find a PlayStation 5. There's a number of Twitter bots that will actually send out a tweet or a message whenever new stock becomes available, and included in those tweets are affiliate links. So if someone were to click and buy, the owner of that Twitter account makes a commission. But that's an example of affiliate marketing. Also, if you look, best video camera for YouTubers, those are affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is happening all around us. Look at yesterday's video for more examples of affiliate marketing, but that is number two. Number three is you can start a free or paid blog. A blog is simply a website where you're going to write organized content about a niche or topic. And literally everything is a niche. You can write about camera lenses or sound bars or stand mixers or microwaves or security cameras. You're simply going to write content to solve a problem. Now you can actually make money in like 10 different ways with a blog, whether it's free or paid. You can do affiliate marketing. You can make money with ads, placing those little ads on a website. You can sell merchandise. You can sell your own products, physical products. You can sell a course. You can do all sorts of stuff and make money. But you can do this either free or paid. If you go the paid route, you'll spend about $80 to get web hosting. If you go the free route, you can use something like Medium to get up and running. But starting a blog is really profitable and it's really easy to get up and running. Number four is join other people's Facebook groups. Now, what you're going to do here is you're going to join other people's Facebook groups within a niche, and you're simply going to figure out what problems they have. Yes, this whole list is all about finding solutions to problems. That's how you make money online. Anyway, if we get back over to Facebook groups, you are simply going to look at the questions that people are asking and you are going to help them out. You are going to solve those problems. And you can make money by direct messaging them, which we'll talk about in just a little bit. You can bring them into your world, bring them into your Facebook group, and you can offer different products and services, or even your services, to make money. You could offer one-on-one coaching, group coaching, and potentially make money. Now, the cool thing with group coaching is you can make pretty good money by helping a lot of people, as long as you are solving problems and not just taking from them. But number 4 is joining other people's Facebook groups. Number 5 is you can start your own Facebook group. Now, once again, you can start a Facebook group in anything: woodworking, pets, starting a YouTube channel, starting photography, and you're simply going to provide helpful content. And once again, you can make money in a number of ways. Affiliate marketing, maybe you have an ebook or a guide and you say, hey, look, if you want the complete guide to learning photography as a complete beginner, buy this guide for 99 cents or whatever it is that you charge. But starting your own Facebook group, you start it for free and you can actually automate a lot of it. And one thing that I recommend that you do is optimize your Facebook group so that it can get discovered in search and that you can grow much faster. But number 5, start your own Facebook group. It's really easy. Number 6 is become a micro influencer. Basically, a micro influencer means you have a following and different companies are going to come to you, or you're going to go out to them and you are going to promote or recommend a product. Now, this is a little bit different than affiliate marketing, whereas if a company comes to you, they're going to maybe give you the product and say, hey, look, hold up this chapstick and talk about how good it is. They're going to pay you based on impressions and engagement and the number of videos that you create for this chapstick. And so being an influencer, you can actually start having people reach out to you with like 5,000 followers if you're on TikTok, maybe 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and you can simply promote or recommend different products and make money. Now, again, with the micro influencer, you can either go out to them or they can come to you. Another thing that you can do is if you have a decent following, you can use different websites out there to promote your products. For example, I'll put one on the screen right here of a website that you can go to, like Shoutcart, and people are going to pay you directly to shout out their brand, their YouTube channel, their TikTok account, because they want to use your influence to grow their influence and brand. But number 6, become an influencer. That's actually really easy. Number 7, start a YouTube channel. I have tons of videos on different faceless and face YouTube channels that you could start today and make 6 figures. Everything from teaching people multiplication factors to creating a YouTube channel about security cameras and how to make money online, and just about anything. There is $1 million hidden in that niche. So what you want to do is do a little bit of research, go over to YouTube, see if there are already people in your niche creating content. If there is, that gives you a roadmap to success. If there isn't, that can be an area of opportunity to grow really fast. There are tons of niches in your YouTube channel. And once again, like a blog, there are multiple ways to make money. You can sell your own digital products, physical products, merchandise, affiliate marketing. You can sell individual or group coaching, mentorship. There's all sorts of ways that you can make money with your YouTube channel. Number 8 is create and sell an online course. Now, there are a few ways to do this. You can either create and sell a course through Udemy, which I don't recommend, or you can actually create and sell a course yourself. Now, you can promote the course with your YouTube channel or with paid ads or your blog or your website. Now, what you want to do is you want to go out and figure out what people want to know. And there are literally 1 million people that want to know everything, anything and everything. For example, you could create a course over on Google Sheets or Google Docs or PowerPoint or Word or accounting or CPR training. To get ideas, look at Udemy, because there are thousands of courses over on Udemy. If there's something that piques your interest, either you have an average skill knowledge or average knowledge of it, you can create a course in it because you have enough skills and knowledge and ability to teach someone else. But you can create and sell a course. Selling a course, you can make anywhere between, let's say, $6 if you're selling it on Udemy to $1,000 depending on the niche and the demand. But that can be incredibly profitable. Number 9 is become a web developer. Now, I recently submitted a poll on my YouTube channel asking people if they wanted me to create a course showing them how they could make $3,000 per client with web development. Basically, with that course, I would walk you through the steps of finding and securing clients that you could charge $3,000 per client building simple 5-page websites. Now, if that's something that you're interested in, comment below and I'll go ahead and make that course for you. But yes, you can make $3,000 per client being a WordPress developer. And if you don't know what WordPress is, I urge you to Google it and look at it on YouTube. It is very, very profitable. If you learn this skill, you can make very good money. Actually, being a WordPress developer is one of the first ways that I actually made money online, and it's not that difficult. After being a WordPress developer, number 10 is find easy gigs on Fiverr. Now, I've created a few different videos on my YouTube channel talking about the easiest gigs. For example, coming up with slogans or domain name generators or doing keyword research. You can find those low competition, low hanging fruit gigs over on Fiverr and make anywhere between $5 and $10 per gig. It's not going to be a lot, but it can help you start generating some income that you can reinvest into other things. If you have skills like graphic design or logo design, you can post those on Fiverr as well and make even more money. Number 11 is direct messaging. And so basically what you're going to do in this instance is you're going to pick a social media platform. It can be Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, and you are going to find people that have a problem. You are going to reach out to them and you are going to say, I can help you with that problem. Now, the only drawback to direct messaging is that this is time intensive. You are going to have to shoot your shot 20 to 100 times per day in order to get people to buy. You are going to have to constantly come up with new ways because people are tired of other people sliding into DMs with no regard. And so you can make money doing this method. It is a little bit more challenging than it was maybe 3 years ago, but this can be profitable as well. Number 12 is virtual assistant. Now, a VA basically gets tasks from a manager and you complete those tasks. It can be anything from data entry to setting up their calendar, maybe uploading different videos to YouTube. Basically, you are going to get tasks from your manager. You are going to complete those tasks in a timely manner and make money. Now, the cool thing with being a virtual assistant is if you are organized, you can be a virtual assistant for multiple people and make even more money. There are people over on TikTok that claim that make over 100K per year simply being a virtual assistant. After being a virtual assistant, you can be a social media manager. Now, basically what a social media manager does is you are managing social media accounts for small and medium-sized businesses. Now, basically what you're going to do is you are going to try and further the brand. For example, if I was a social media manager for a lawnscaping business, I would post any images of a freshly cut lawn. I would definitely reach out to people that are expressing that they have problems or they need, their lawn cut. And so that's how you further your brand. And basically what you can do is you can automate this entire process. You can get images, you can get video, and you can use a scheduler and post all of this content throughout the different social media platforms so that you're not constantly doing it all day and all night. Now, number 14 is social media marketer. Now, this is slightly different than a social media manager. A social media marketer, in my opinion, is where you are going and marketing your services. You are going over on TikTok and creating content for your niche and getting people engaged so that they can buy the product and services that you're mentioning. So it's a little bit different than social media manager, where a marketer, you're working for yourself. A manager, you're just kind of managing the accounts. Number 15, now this can be really profitable, over 100K per year. It's being an ads manager. So basically you can be an ads manager for Facebook or YouTube or Google and even Pinterest, where you are monitoring the ads that are launched. You are helping small and medium-sized businesses launch successful ad campaigns. You are monitoring the return on ad spend, or ROAS, and you are actually coming up with campaigns that help them make even more money. So you can actually do that and make money yourself. You could actually be your own ads manager where you are promoting other people's products or a product that you came up with and make money there. Number 16 is a transcriptionist. With a transcriptionist, you are basically going to type or write down anything that you hear. You can use a website like Transcribe Me. You can also use Fiverr to be a transcriptionist. Now, with this job, it does require pretty good typing skills. There have been people that claim that they can hold up a microphone and use Google Docs to do this quickly, but I haven't had success with this. But transcription can be a great way. Again, there's Transcribe Me, there's Rev, there's just a few of them out there that you can use and make money. Number 17 is graphic designer or logo maker. Now, I'd like to list these out because this is more of a technical skill that not a lot of people can do. You can be a graphic designer or logo maker on a site like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour. You can actually reach out to people directly over on YouTube. Now, I've had that a lot. I've had people email me and say, hey, look, I really like your channel. I think that we could improve on this, and this is what I'm offering you. If you do that enough per day, there is opportunity to make money. But being a logo maker or graphic designer can be really profitable. Number 18, freelance writer. So instead of blogging for yourself, you can write for other people. Now, there are all types of freelance writers. Again, there's blogging, there's ebook writers, there's copywriting, there's scripts, there's landing pages, there's emails, there's all sorts of writing out there. And most people don't know what to say in those instances. And so if you can come up with a strategic freelance writing plan, you can make money. You can make very good money, in fact. After freelance writer, we have podcaster. Now, I'm sure everyone is familiar with podcasting, but there are multiple ways to make money. You can make money with ads. So you can read ads during your podcast. You can recommend different products. You can actually sell out shows. There's a podcast that I used to follow that they would go on tour and sell out small and medium-sized venues, and you can make money with selling out the venue, with merchandise, with meet and greets. There's tons of ways that you can make money as a podcaster, and you'd actually be surprised. Number 20, sell old stuff on eBay. This isn't going to be a long-term strategy, but this can help you start making some money. And number 21, you can write and sell an ebook. Now that you know 21 ways that you can make money online without taking any surveys, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. Go to alstongodbolt.com/start to learn more. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.